And our correspondents Kumar, Abhishek and Girdhar Jha now joining us live on the story. Kumar, let me come to you first. If you can just give us an idea of what the political scenarios can be right now and how that's going to play out for each of these political players in the state.
I'm right now outside Rabdi Devi official residence, where meeting is on. The RJD Legislative Party meeting is on. Till now, 9 rebel MPs, MLAs has reached, and Lalu and Rabdi is taking that meeting. After hectic efforts, they are being taken to Rabdi Devi residence. But what actually happened in that meeting, we'll know after the meeting is over. And at 2 o'clock, it is expected that there will be a press conference where all 9 MLAs where once said rebel will show their solidarity with Lalu Yadav. I have with me Girdhar Jha, the senior journalist from Mail Today. Girdhar, how do you see this rebellion in RJD? What do you think? Is it a vertical split?
It's a very big setback to Lalu Yadav at a time when he was trying so hard to cobble up a federal alliance against secular alliance against Nitish Kumar and BJP. It has come at a time when he was hoping to do well. All surveys were predicting that his party would do well in the next Lok Sabha elections. So this is a big setback in the sense that he has faced rebellion in his backyard, and at least 4 of his MLAs have not turned up at his residence to attend the legislative party meeting. Of course, he has got some reprieve that 9 of his MLAs who had purportedly signed the letter of resignation which was submitted to assembly, they have turned up at his residence, but it needs Lalu Yadav's all his leadership qualities to convince them to remain part of RJD.
What do you see? Will this split get longer? What do you see? Will they actually return to RJD fold, or there could be something else which Lalu will have to face?
One thing is sure, that Lalu has already got reprieve because 9 of his MLAs have already professed loyalties to him. It remains to be seen whether they will stay with him, but at present they have already professed loyalties to him.
So back to Sanjana.